aside, you got to do your things in moderation. Because if I just go hard on Spark, if I go hard on Spark every single day, I'll be burnt out real quick. And I ain't trying to have none of that. I'm trying to have longevity with these apps. And the way I see that happening is, doing it in moderation. Look at this. Ain't nothing popped up. That's crazy. They talking about it's so busy. It's so busy that I can hop on early. But you ain't got no order. Now, how that makes sense? Hit that like button, y'all. We need 100 likes. We ain't got 100 likes yet? That's crazy. We've been on live for 2 hours and we do not have 100 likes yet? Come on now. We got to fix that, y'all. Shout out to Kawana for just subscribing. Brand new subscriber, Kawana in the building. If you a new subscriber, go ahead, let me know down below so I can give you a proper shout out. Joe say, and what are your thoughts on a regular job? I quit. Spark, not accepting. No, he say, what's your thought on a regular job? I quit. Spark, not accepting in my area right now. If you already quit your job, go ahead, use these apps so you have some kind of money coming in the meantime. But a regular job is kind of better than these apps right now if you don't know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing and you already got more than 5 apps downloaded, you can manage. Now, you may not have no benefits, you may have up days and down days, but you're gonna have a lot of free time to get your business stuff done, your appointments and your scheduled things. So, do what works for you, but just know that if you need to, always have them apps filled out in the background so you can have some interviews lined up. Brand new subscriber, JBC in the building. JBC underscore 180. Let's get it. Thanks for subscribing. To Toka Boca Fun Fan. I gotta say that 10 times. Toka Boca, Toka Boca, Toka Boca, Toka Boca. Thank you for the subscription, Toka Boca. I appreciate you. Yes, sir. Thank you to all the brand new subscribers. If you a new subscriber, hit that like button on your way in. Drop a comment below. Let me know who you is, so I can go ahead and give you a proper shout out. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. We got big goals over here on this channel. And I need every one of y'all to help me out so we can make it there. So I can give away this damn money. I got to make this money so I can give it away. What my order? Friendly Canadians say shopping pays on my bread and butter. Hopefully this vent don't bother y'all too much, but I need this phone to cool down. So it's running pretty hot. So I'm gonna let the AC vent. I'm gonna let the AC fan hit it for a second. So if y'all hear like a little breeze coming from right here, it's okay. This phone needs to cool down so we can rock out on this live stream. Can I spam like now? No. I am a YouTube. Royals, shout out to brand new subscriber. Royals in the building. Everybody say hi to Royals. If you can, if you're not out there driving. Hit the 3 dots at the top, says Kawana. Yes, sir. Can I spam like now? Yes, you can spam the like button now. Absolutely. Cheeky Chops in the building. Where you been at, OG? Triple OG? I've been missing you, man. I'm like, damn, where the hell Cheeky Chops at? He the only one that's allowed to spam my chat and get away with it. Shit. Cheeky Chops in the building. Doordash ain't giving me nothing, y'all. What's going on? Who was that guy right there? Oh, shit, that's me. Hold on now. How much you gonna make today? Yes, sir. Shout out to Yes Sir in the building. We got Yes Sir up in this motherfucker. Everybody say what's up to Yes Sir. I need to start dashing. I need to start doing more on mine. Just don't be focused enough. Do it on your own time, Lynn. No pressure. But just know that it's always there for you to get it done. I, Doordash, have been getting some shit-ass orders, says Bree. I'm sorry to hear that. Doordash been trash for everybody lately. Now, I know we dashing at a time right now where it's not going to be a whole lot of orders. But, give me a couple of them no-tip flower runs, I guess. Shit, give me something to do and complain at the same time. Shit, who going to be mad at that? I had 230 deliveries in the last 30 days in January. I burnt the hell out of this month. I feel you on that. Sometimes... Ain't that a bit? Sometimes you get burnt out doing these deliveries. I ain't even gonna cap. I be getting burnt, especially like when I be doing Walmart Spark back to back, day after day. It be really good money. So I be like, man, I don't want to stop. But I ain't gonna lie, I be doing so many orders back to back, I get burnt out. Finally, an order. Oh my goodness, that hurt. Oh my goodness. I need to plug this phone up. That hurts so bad. Do y'all see that? Oh my God. Who taking that? Who is taking that? Oh my God. Y'all need to see this.